Is your Amana AC unit making a loud humming noise? This usually indicates a problem within the compressor, the heart of your AC system. This noise often stems from electrical or mechanical issues. Let's explore the common causes and solutions. First, check for loose components like mounting brackets, as vibration can create a resonant hum. Tighten any loose bolts. Next, a failing capacitor, essential for starting the motor, can cause uneven power delivery and humming. Replacing it is a common fix, typically costing between 50 and 150. Electrical faults like voltage irregularities or wiring problems can also amplify the hum. Always power off the unit before inspecting wiring and consider using a multimeter to check for continuity. Low refrigerant levels can strain the compressor, leading to noise. Recharge the system and check for leaks. Remember, safety is paramount. Always disconnect power and consult a certified technician when dealing with electrical components. If simple fixes don't resolve the humming, more advanced solutions might be needed. For older units, consider that improved capacitor designs and regular maintenance can help prevent issues. Newer Amana smart AC systems, such as the AVX C20, integrate diagnostic tools to detect vibrations and electrical anomalies early through app-based sensors. Firmware updates can sometimes mitigate humming via software-tuned motor controls. To prevent humming, ensure your unit is level and regularly lubricate moving parts to reduce vibration. Looking ahead, Amana is trending towards quieter, more efficient compressors using variable speed technology and AI-driven vibration dampers. Predictive maintenance via IoT and partnerships with smart home ecosystems promise real-time diagnostics. Also keep in mind that rising electricity costs and proactive maintenance can make your unit more economical in the long run.